Hey, welcome back to Building the Voice Agent. Today we are diving into one of the most important parts of building a great voice assistant, choosing the right text to speech and speech to text models. We will look at the performance, error rate, cost, and how these models sounds in real world scenarios like customer service and healthcare. When you are choosing a model, you need to know two things: which one gives you the best quality? What will it cost you at scale? Let's say you are working with 100 minutes of voice interaction per day. You will want to figure it out which services give you the free minutes and what happens when you go beyond that. For example, if you get 100 free minutes for voice generation, that could be enough for you start testing without any cost. But when it comes to performance, as enterprise level, it's not about the free minutes. It's all about like how it's gonna performing, what is error rate, and what could be its cost when it's scale. That's more important. That's what we have to do the comparison between the popular models, right? So if you look at here, 11 Labs and OpenAge GPT-4o or with Crashia uh, uh, ones. So which are gonna gives you the latency um, free, latency, less latency, or first byte response time, speech clarity, and human-like delivery. So these are the major things when you are considering the model. It's all about the low latency and higher first byte delay compared to another model. So let's start doing the comparison between the two real world scenarios, customer service scripts. So let's hear from that, the first one.
Use promo code SHI P123 or call our order desk at 020-7946-0371. For orders over 500, shipping is free when you use promo code SHIPPING3 or call our order desk at 020-7946-0371.
So if you look at the both the ones, the second one is like talks about like near to the human way of like speaking.
If you have trouble sleeping, take melatonin 5 milligrams about 30 minutes before. If you have trouble sleeping, take melatonin 5 milligrams about 30 minutes before bedtime, but avoid caffeine in the evening as well.
So it's the second one is doing pretty good for me. Let's say it's like the podcast, which one gonna do better? I think like
Anti-disestablinisarianism was once considered a controversial ideology in 19th century England. Was once considered a controversial ideology in 19th century. Acai, charcuterie, quinoa, chipotle, Worcestershire, espresso, croissant, gnocchi, bruschetta. Acai, charcuterie, quinoa, chipotle, Worcestershire, espresso, croissant, gnocchi, bruschetta.
okay. So if I done the comparison, then I feel like 11 Labs is doing pretty good in terms of like giving the more human centric approach. But we can try the OpenAI audio preview as well. So it's gonna be the latency is too high into here. I think like both the latency is same and error rate is gonna be same, but alphanumeric performance is doing great here. So when I go to the medical scenario and GPT-4o.
If you have trouble sleeping, take melatonin 5 milligrams about 30 minutes before bedtime, but avoid caffeine in the evening as well. If you have trouble sleeping, take melatonin 5 milligrams about 30 minutes before bedtime, but avoid caffeine in the evening as well.
So this is how you need to go and try to see the voice performance benchmarks, latencies, and comparison, and then decide which model is gonna suit for your customer interactions and which one you have to be choose for your real time application development. Thanks for watching.